Presenting a pre-owned 2018 BMW. This two-door convertible has a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW is a steal with less than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city, and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include Convenience Pkg, Premium Package, heated front seats, navigation system, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.